The more children read, the more they want to read because it becomes easy and fun. However, some children get in the opposing habit of not reading and not wanting to read. With a lack of practice, their skills stagnate and reading becomes work, not fun. As a parent, you have a unique opportunity to motivate your child to read more and to read better. I'm Cynthia Ruth. In this video, I will offer several tips to help motivate your child to read. Also, don't miss my bonus tip at the end of this video. So let's get right to it. Welcome to Ruth's Straight Talk, the channel designed to help teachers, parents, and students live fuller lives, become lifelong learners, and grow into the awesome human beings you were designed to be. Number 1. Set a good example. Read for pleasure yourself and make sure your child see you reading. If you don't read, your child will get the silent message that reading isn't important. Children will mimic what their parents do, so be a reading role model that your child needs. Number 2, make reading a social activity. Avoid making reading a lonely activity. Read aloud to your child, even when she's old enough to read for herself. Get everyone involved. Ask your spouse or your child's babysitter, grandparent, brothers or sisters to read to your child. Insist that the daycare provides many books readily available and know that reading is a priority for your child. Number 3, encourage your child to read whatever interests him. Books on soccer, science fiction, or even recipes. A passion for cooking or history can ignite passion for reading. Schedule a regular time for reading, such as after dinner or before bed. Make reading a habit and an expected part of the daily routine. Number 5, create an environment rich in reading materials. Fill your home with books and magazines and encourage your child to read a wide variety of printed material, including catalogs, maps, menus, and schedules. Number 6, play board games or card games that require reading instructions or spelling out words with letter tiles. Games combine fun and companionship with reading practice. Number 7, give books or magazines as gifts for birthdays, holidays, or any time. Choose materials that are attractive and interesting to your child. Number 8, use the library for an endless supply of new books and magazines without breaking the budget. Make library visits a regular family activity once a week or more. Encourage your child to participate in library reading groups or incentive programs. Make the library a place that is fun by taking your child to story time. Number 9, connect reading with daily life and interesting world outside. For example, talk about what you read at dinner and ask your child to share her reading. After your child finishes a book about animals, you can take her to the zoo. Number 10, use oral language as a bridge to reading. Learn poems and songs together with or without recordings. Buy audiobooks or borrow them from the library so that your child can read and listen at the same time. Audiobooks are also available for downloads through the public libraries and online. The bonus tip: build a personal library for your child at home. Buy books that can take heavy use and fill a shelf with books that interests him. Find bargains through libraries and school used book sales. Create a private reading space in the home. Maybe you could set up a tent with pillows and a blanket on the floor and a good reading light in the family room where the only rule for entering the tent is that they're going to read. So there you have it. 10 ways to motivate your child to read. Thank you so much for visiting with us at ruthstraighttalk.com. If this video has helped you, please like us and leave us a comment at the bottom of the screen. And please subscribe to my channel for more great videos like this one. Until next time, happy learning and goodbye.